SMX triple X butt sex. I don't know, that'll rhyme. I shouldn't have said that, but it'll rhyme. No filter. With you guys, never a filter. Instead, if I ever say something that's extremely, you know, popped off, pop the top off kind of thing, you know, I would delete the entire video. I wouldn't even post any part of it. The before or the after, never the during, before or the after. I wouldn't post it. What up, cuh? Blood gang. Woo! Racist. See? So easy. Mixed breed boy, so easily. He passed me. Racism. And don't look at me like that. Don't talk to me like that, alright? I've walked the walk. Any protest, I was there on the front lines. This throat, I've deep throated this throat so many times at a goddamn protest, alright? So many times. Front lines, alright? Front lines. I was like, take a picture of me, I ain't scared. Show the world it's me up here. Oh, my smells like ass. It's probably that Tesla. So one big recommendation I would give to riders, new riders, old riders, fat riders, sexy riders, is that eat a lot of mints, like a crazy amount of mints, in a healthy way, don't OD over it. But eat a good amount of mints right before you put your helmet on. And then, if you're a motovlogger, and then ride and talk, and oh my god, it would smell so good. New idea. Helmet freshener. You know how cars have fresheners that hang from the dash? Hang on the dash. From the windshield or whatever. Do that, but do it on inside the helmet somewhere. So then I can constantly smell like lavender, wild bloomed flowers. But what up, man? Hey, shorty. Hey, shorty, what up? Hey, acknowledge the guy next to you. There you go. God damn. People, what's the love relationship going on, man? People be spreading hate instead of love. Hey, tonight, we're gonna get it in tonight. Why does everything have to be a sex joke for it to be funny? Because dark comedy, or actually no, dirty comedy is usually the other aspects of dirty comedy I'm not a big fan of. If you guys want to know what dirty comedy is, listen to Lil Wayne songs, but take away the comedy part. Psyche? Alright, so riders, let me correct myself. Riders are out today, but they're not on the same road as me, besides this guy. But he seems like he just doesn't want anything to do with me. And I to him, because he's a chopper. Alright, bearded hoe, go to hell, son of a gun. Look at this. I'm upset. 50,000 on my neck. Disrespect. What up, cuz? You look like a young blood. Hell yeah. Give me the double fingers, the BJJ. The BJJ. That's not blowjob, but that's Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. That's what you do in BJJ. I can't do it because fat fingers and these are leather gloves and they're bent and curved in a certain way because thousands of hours have been put into it. Aurelia, homie, what up, cuz? Young blood, sipping on that gas. I don't drink liquor, I drink lean. Chop a thing, chop away. I'm upset. 50,000 on my neck, disrespect. Triple X, butt sex. I can't think of the rhymes, man. Dodgeball, I want to play with those balls. Dodgeball. Say key. Oh, the very last rider, he didn't do it, his chick did it, Corvette. Why am I pulling out Corvette? He didn't do it, his chick did it. That dude's driving around with an anime doll. Anime plushie. That chick is. Ooh, R6. Number. Gallardo, Huracan. Where do I begin? I don't even know, baby, where my blunt ends. And I'm gonna be a legend even when my life ends. I'm gonna be a legend even when this life ends. That guy right there gave me the BJJ symbol, and I love it. I don't consider it a friend. Surfers use it too, by the way. But I like to think that it originated in BJJ. Could never understand it. Chicks get hammered, big dick bandit, money flowing like a slit wrist, no bandit. Slices out of my pie, out of this world though, I'm so sci-fi. I keep it moving like a drive-by. Never meet a good cop. Me and Wayne lean like Kareem doing hook shot. Cover me, I'm going in. I'm fucking with the hook shots. What up, cut? Bend it over and bust it down for me. Hey, you're supposed to pop an endo and stop so you can ride with us. What kind of cut? Non-blood gang type of thing is that? Oh, the family got separated. Right there. That family got separated. Now the question is, can she make it? They're worried out of their minds right now. I said, no, you fucking didn't. Baby, I'ma go hard. Bitch, I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. And I'm gonna go hard. And I'm gonna go hard. Man, where the fuck is shorties at? It's a beautiful day. Christmas and no cheeks out? This should be a freaking crime. Harley. Harley. Harley and Harley. Harley Davidson. What is it? Harley Quinn. Pull up to the house is something you can't pull out. I know, I saw la policia. But we ain't doing anything illegal. Unless being double cheeked up, looking pretty and riding around in the city is a crime. Handcuff me. Don't handcuff me. I don't do well in handcuffs. Oh, your friend is cheeked up, by the way. Girl, looking at me. You should be looking at your friend because she's cheeked up, by the way. That's what you do right there, a staggered formation up in this hill. I remember I ride with so many riders who do not know how the etiquette of riding with others. It doesn't have to be a group ride kind of damn thing, but if you're sharing the lane with another rider, know the goddamn etiquette. Alright? Learn the goddamn etiquette. Headlight, headlight. Oh my god, Wayne. This car behind me is just tailgating the hell out of me. El cuatro. ¿Qué maricón? ¿Qué? Why'd you slow down? I'm gonna lane split. I'm not lane splitting that cut. What you think this is? Are you really gonna cut in front of me, Tesla? That's what I thought. Keep in check, homie. Get out of here, man. I didn't want to look at him. Cut in front of me, I'm gonna break your mirror off, homie. Oh my god. Oh my god, that dude popped my eardrum. Yeah, you psyche. The dude popped my mother effing eardrum, man. That's why we can't make sex. Oh my god, look beautiful. That's why we can't make sex tapes with Harleys. They're too damn loud. Benefits of a Jeep Wrangler. He popped the curb. Why was he looking back? Was there ass? Is that the reason he was looking back? Was there ass? BJJ guy. Alright, didn't know the etiquette. I was waving back. You're on a sports bike, learn that damn etiquette. Pussy, 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 pussy. Why do I even wave to choppers? Like, why waste my mother have looked staggered? There you go. We're far apart. Tesla, you wanna have? Not so fast now, huh? I broke stagger because of that car to the left. Not this one with the one behind it. Was acting a little funky up in the club. This Tesla behind me is a real douchebag. That's 1,000? No. Ninja 400. Por favor, por favor. Hey, man. Trapping is a hobby, that's away from me. Trapping is a hobby, that's away from me. Ducati finally got, nah, Ducati something. 899 or some shit. Some shit. Dropping Molly in the car. One reason I love riding here is there's these bursts of open roads, but mostly is lane splitting in heavy traffic, so I can listen to stuff and actually hear it. Right now, Future is butt naked, whispering in my ear, and I don't know what the hell he's saying, because it's so loud. Trapping is a hobby, is the way for me. Hit that Kobe fade away. That's not what he's saying, but fuck if I knew, homie. No, I'm getting my girl back. Whoa, whoa. Jump man, he's way up the sun. It's not just bluffing, huh?